Everyone, welcome to the Akash tutorials. Dear friends, today we will learn about the distinct and is null clause. How we can use it, let us see practically. So I have the same table employee. Now, for example, if I want to find out how many types of department I'm having in the employee table. So if I write down select employee, select department from employee, so it will not give me the correct result that I want because it is showing me clerk two times. If I'm having IT cell, there are two employees, so it is showing me the duplicate values again and again. Whereas I asked for how many different types of department I'm having in the employee table. So if you want to remove the duplicate values, not from the table actually, but while fetching the records, if you do not want to see the duplicate values, so simply you can use one clause called as the distinct. So select, just put distinct, and then you can write down the name of the column from employee. So now you can see here, it will not show you the duplicate values. It is not removing or deleting the values from the table. While just fetching the data from that particular column, it is not showing you the duplicate values. So if we go back to the tables, so you have your records. Second is null. Null, if you have done any programming language, you must be familiar what is null. Null means or stands for nothing actually. So in MySQL also we have the null value. Suppose if I want, let us suppose I do not want to give the salary of an employee, or salary is not known. So I can, let me update, we have already covered the update command. So update employee set, I want to set the salary equal to null. So null is a reserved character, the reserved word. It won't come in single quotes, remember. So again, where I have to write, and of course otherwise if I'll press enter, so just a minute, I have written the incorrect spellings, SALARY. So null where, let's say employee ID is equal to 1008. So if I press enter, now let's see. So here I have one record where salary is not known, so it is null. In another sense I can say. So now if I want to see the record or the name of that employee whose salary is null, so I have to write down the record, I have to write down the query, select ename from employee where salary. Here I cannot use equal to. If I write down equal to, it will not give you the result, because when you have something called as null in a column, so for null, equal to operator cannot be used, because equal to operator is always used with some value. So null is not a value, null means nothing. So here you have to use is. So where salary is null. So whatever the column is, so in case you want to see the record of null, so you have to use is keyword. So now you can see the Kavita name has come where salary is null. I hope it is clear now. And there's one more thing. You can also use not. We have already covered the not logical operator. So if I want to see the record or the name of employees whose salary is not null, so simply just write down whose salary is not null. So simply it will give you the name of those employees whose salary is not null. So that's all for today's lecture. I hope you understand what is null. Null means nothing, and if you understand, just subscribe my channel if you like it, so you will get more updates. Thank you very much, dear.